Hello again. So in this quick tutorial I'm just going to show you something that not everybody's aware of, but it's really useful if you're adapting any kind of video that involves branching, and that's specifically around quizzing and annotations in general. If you have a video that the user goes through once, so in this example I've just created a quick 15-second video. It's got a couple of question marks spinning back and forth and then a quiz pops on screen. When a user answers this question correctly, I then jump the timeline further along to this little correct screen that I've implemented, and then what I've done is add an auto jump back point here to 2 seconds. But you notice if you're retaking the video, once a quiz has been answered correctly, it no longer appears on the video or on the timeline again. So if a user is watching the video for the first time, the quiz will be there that the user can engage with, but once that question has been answered correctly, the quiz is no longer there. Sometimes there might be a user case when you think if a user goes back to content, you want the quiz to be visible on every view and on every instance, and you can actually do that, but it's not within the edit panel within the quiz itself. It's actually over here on the configure panel. Select that and you'll notice at the very top to show questions once only or on every view. Once only will obviously only display the quiz once, and every view is every time a user goes back to that quiz, they'll get to see that quiz every time. A word of warning when it comes to this functionality here, however, there is regular occurrences where, depending on a certain browser or version number of a browser that a user is using, even if you enable this tick here as every view, when a user is going through the content once more, even though you've enabled this functionality, sometimes it still does not appear. So it's worth testing this functionality before rolling it out to your users. It's a bug that's been raised with HapYak, and it's something that they're actively looking into at the moment. Hit submit. Let's close this out. That's pretty much it for this lesson. If you've got any questions around how this works, then be sure to drop me a comment in the comment box below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.